Today I'm going to review about the best pocket knife on the market. At number 1, Spyderco Delica4 lightweight knife. This knife is very lightweight and can be carried around with ease. Its handle comes with fiberglass reinforced nylon. The nylon comes in a variety of colours, so you can be sure to find a colour that suits you. It has extremely powerful and sharp blades which can be used for a variety of needs. Durability is certain as a result of the high quality materials used in its production. At number 2, Spyderco Tenacious folding knife. This knife has a tip which is shaped like a drop point. This shape makes it very ideal for slicing things. A great aspect of this knife is its grind, which is fully flat. This means you can utilise this knife for your hunting trips apart from EDC. Opening the knife is easy and can be done with only one hand, thanks to the inner lock mechanism. This mechanism would also ensure the knife won't fail you during use. For convenience, you can also utilise your other fingers as opposed to your thumb to open the knife. At number 3, Kershaw Cryo 2 pocket knife. This knife has a stainless steel construction which ensures high power as well as durability. The blade is produced from stainless steel while the handle is constructed from 410 steel. Both are coated with titanium carbonitrate, which aids in keeping sharpness of the blade as well as durability. This knife also comes with a very sleek design which ensures you can easily carry it in your jackets, purses or pockets. It would make a great companion for gardeners, hunters or any individuals who require a quality EDC knife. At number 4, CRKT Squid folding pocket knife. This pocket knife is constructed from heavy duty materials. It comes with a steel blade lock handle alongside high carbon stainless steel blade. These materials ensure the knife has great cutting power and increased durability. Weighing just 3.4 ounces, you can carry the knife about without feeling the weight. For balanced tip geometry and strength, it features a broad drop point blade. For grip, this knife comes with friction grooves which ensure the knife doesn't slip off during use. It also comes with a deep pocket clip so you can conveniently hang the knife in your pocket. At number 5, Ontero Knife OKC folding knife. This is a knife which is simply designed but is still amazing. It would make an ideal addition to the gear of any outdoor lover. The knife is quite versatile and can work for numerous purposes. Its handle is covered with a nylon 6 material and comes in an amazing black colour. This material ensures that you have comfortable grip when holding the knife. The blade has a thickness of 0.093 inches and a cutting edge of 2.75 plane, which gives the knife the capacity to cut through very tough materials.